What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I will show you the ZD Racing's EX07 kit version. Now let's unbox it. Now this is manuals. This is motor fans, receiver box, gears, and some other tools. I will stuff stickers for the body. Let's see the kit versions. I have RTR versions, and this is the kit versions for speedruns. The suspension is soft. And here you can see the new drive shaft. The universal shaft. This is a two-stage. You can decrease the vibrations. So beautiful. And my speedrun team will make a carbon fiber chassis for it. All carbon fibers. Now here is 3 ZD Racing's EX07s for my speedrun team. Now look at it. 3 kit versions. Now thanks for watching. Please make comments down below and I will see you next time. Bye.